Hey everyone, this is Charles Bagweng, all the way from Kainta! We got a new segment for you today, and that is Quarantine Munchies with Charles Bagweng, with the help of Primer Local. So what are you waiting for? Let's cook! So today, I'm gonna show you how I cook my special sisig. Let's start with the ingredients. Butter, rosemary, oil, 2 eggs, onions, and garlic. So you need 3 cloves of garlic and half an onion. So let's start with a low heat and a small amount of oil that will cover the plate. See? Then we get the butter. 1 tablespoon of butter. So I'm gonna put the garlic and the onion in the pan. So I love using butter on the onion and the garlic because it gives an aromatic flavor. The garlic and onion is turning brown. Let's put the sisig in. We'll cook the sisig for 3 minutes, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this egg sunny side up. The sisig is already cooked, but I'm gonna turn down the fire and lay the eggs on top of it. The egg is halfway cooked. And remove it so that it will cook itself. While letting the sisig rest, I'm gonna put some rosemary on it to give an aromatic flavor. Egg is already cooked, so I'm gonna put some time on it. Primer Local offers variety of scented products that you will use every day. For example, hand soap, scented alcohol, 3-ply non-woven mask, fragrance for men and women, which is 25% oil-based. To get these amazing products, visit our Facebook page and website, which is linked down below. There you go! The sisig is served. That is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the sisig and comment down below on what you want to see next. And stay safe out there, guys.